Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So while OpenArt is mainly built for visuals, you can still create full songs by combining its AI video visual tools with external AI audio tools. Think of OpenArt as the visual engine and another tool as the music generator. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a song using OpenArt in 2026, the smart workflow. So first thing, write your song idea, like start with a concept, choose genre like rap, pop, chill, etc. Mood like sad, energetic, romantic. Theme like love, success, motivation. So write basic lyrics, okay? Keep it simple first, okay? So generate the music, like use external AI music tools. So Sano AI, Dio, like paste your lyrics, choose style, generate full song, download audio like MP3 or WAV. Plan your visual scenes, like break your songs or your song into parts: intro, verse, chorus, and outro. Each part means visual scene, okay? So generate video clips in OpenArt, like OpenArt, open it and tap video generator. Write prompts matching your song, okay? Like example, cinematic night city, emotional mood, slow motion, neon lights, okay? So generate short clips, extend and refine clips, like use extend video. After that, maintain same style, build longer sequences, okay? And then combine audio and video. So use a video editor like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro. Import your song and add video clips. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.